So to fix NBA 2K mobile app, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and just scroll down below, tap on the settings button. What you have to do next is to tap on apps and notification. After tapping on it, tap on see your apps. After tapping on see your apps, search for the NBA 2K mobile app. When you see it, then you tap on it. So in this video I'm going to use a demo app to illustrate it because I don't have the app over here, but it's going to work perfectly the same. If you have any question, just ask me in my comment section. So let me just search for the NBA app. So when you search for the NBA app, just tap on it, and after that what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then tap on OK, tap on notifications, make sure the notifications toggled on like this, and after that tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back, then tap on storage and cache, clear the cache, clear the storage also as well, then you go back, then after that make sure all permissions are granted. So as you can see, permissions are denied. Make sure camera is allowed and also location is also allowed. It's really necessary and important. So after doing all this, you have to go back, then you restart your phone. So you tap on restart or you reboot, then you tap on OK. But let me tell you something over here. When you restart your phone and it's still not working, what you have to do is to check on Play Store to update the app, and I'm sure it's going to work perfectly. See you in my next video. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section.